YouTube, what it do? FadeMasterLos here, live and direct. And today, I got a good video in store for you. How to properly use a straight razor on lineups. This is what you're gonna get today. Before I go, make sure you click that like, that comment, and also subscribe. FadeMasterLos. It's FadeMasterLos here, live and direct. Let's. Interested in any of the tools that you see in this video, click the link down below. The best tools you can get. So we're gonna jump straight into it. I'm gonna start off by just going ahead and lining him up. I have a video explaining how to do that. If you're interested, click the link above, but I'm gonna go ahead and speed through this. So step one, we're gonna go ahead and put some shaving cream, hot lather, barber side, shaving gel, whichever one you prefer. We're gonna put this on the skin. This is designed to soften the skin to reduce the chances of you cutting. Highly recommended. Now to the straight razor, the moment you've been waiting for. I have a video showing how to load the straight razor. Click the link above. Now, step two, we're gonna pull the skin as tight as we can, and we're going to hold that razor at a 45-degree angle and slightly go towards the line. Now make sure you're holding the razor at a 45-degree angle. That is essential. Not 90, not 25. Hold it at a 45-degree angle and pull the skin. Stretch the skin as far as you can and lightly tap. Be one with the blade. As you can see, I'm wiping the hot lather off, and we're going to proceed to do the same exact thing to the beard. Remember to stretch the skin as much as possible, holding that razor at a 45-degree angle and lightly tap where you placed your line at. 45-degree angle, we pulling that skin. We stretching that skin as much as we can. This is essential. You do not want to cut your client. You want to reduce the chances. And as you can see, I'm pulling the skin away from the razor. I'm pulling the skin away from the razor, not with the razor. I'm pulling against to create a little tension so that that razor can glide smoothly across the skin. We can give a sharp look. Now, I typically go over it twice, sometimes even 3 times. But for this video, I'm just showing you that I'm going over it once and allow y'all to see this result of using the straight razor. So once you hit those angles, you go back over it 1 time, maybe 2, 3 times. You should get something very similar to this. Hope you enjoy. It's FadeMasterLos here. Before I go, make sure you click that like, that comment, and also subscribe. It's only gonna make you better. And there you have it. FadeMasterLos here, live and direct. Let's go.